Hello everyone! Today I am opening with you and trying for the very first time some different kind of fidgets. They are not really branded or have any name. I just saw them on AliExpress. They were affordable at a good price and they looked cool. So I ordered them and will try them with you today. So I will start with these two. This is actually the same slider in different color variation, pure silver and blue gold kind of thingy, which is awesome. In the description it says titanium alloy, so I took a chance and we will see what it is. I will only open the silver one, if you can want to see the cool blue one. Very, very cool. So put it to the side. Now I'll do some zooms so you can see it before and after I open it. Very, very cool looking fidget. So zoom out and let's do it. So it arrived like this, no other protection at all. So I want to be okay. So as always, cool tool and some crystal balls and metal ball, springs and a few screws. And okay, so I need to open the fidget itself. It's cool that it's separated by another piece of protection. So let's do it. So first of all, to show you how it looks right out of the package. It's polished, so you know it attracts fingerprints, but I always prefer polished than any other finish. So it looks great. I really like the design. Good weight also, even though it's a titanium alloy. Very, very good weight. And not small also. You see, 3 fingers. Not a very small slider compared to others. Look at how much my thumb covers it. Very cool. So let's try it for the very first time with you and see how it is. Just a second. Tiviva EDC. That's what I'm seeing here. Tiviva EDC. So can be the manufacturer or a studio or whatnot. Here is the back of the tracks, so you can see them. Dense paragraph. So it goes both ways, which is cool. You can take it down, up and down. So it goes out of focus. You can absolutely do it one by one. Also a tuning fork kind of thing, which is very cool. Very, very good. Very, very good quality for the price. Each one cost me a little less than $10. It was $20. It was a little less than $20 for the both of them. So it was a great price, I believe. The track one. Let's do one close up. very nice, very nice. Again, for the price, magnificent. $10 for a titanium alloy Thingamajig. Very cool. Let's just check. I have a magnetic cap here. It doesn't magnetize, so could be real titanium. And also, sellers on AliExpress can't just write whatever they want. They will get refunded from every buyer. So I believe it is a titanium alloy. So I will put it here, but I will take it out of frame so the focus can focus on the new fidget. Let's open it. This is it. It is a clone spinner of the ACEdc Thunder spinner, which was a very cool spinner, but I never got. When I got there, they were all gone. So a clone is all I have, and I can't compare it. But if it is the same design, it should be really cool, I believe. So, as always, some close up. I will just all this thing. Very cool close-ups. This thing's supposed to come out or something, I don't know, but we will see. Looks great, very heavy in the end. Have a great. Okay, so I didn't even know it was a linkage. It was a linkage spinner. Man, that's so cool. That's so cool. Loved it. The sound also. Let's try to spin the heck out of it and see what happens. Move my stand as always. Very cool. Very cool. I am having trouble, as always, spinning it efficiently on camera, but I do try. Very cool. I can absolutely see why the original one sold out in a second and a half. Very cool. This whole mechanism. And it feels quite solid in the hand. I can't say it's wobbly or anything. I think the fact that it doesn't spin balanced fully is because it's very hard to do with this linkage part. Weight distribution as a whole, but very cool spinner that I will enjoy. Let's just put it in its place for a second. So these was our 3 cool little unbranded fidgets. Thank you for joining, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.